Hi, this is Nick, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add your Amazon MWS keys into DataSpot Pro. The Amazon MWS key is needed so that DataSpot Pro can import your organic sales and product listing information. First, I'm going to start off by showing you how to actually get your MWS key. To get started, just click the link that is just above this video. It will take you to a page in Seller Central where you will approve DataSpot Pro to get access to your data. On the last page, you will get a list of IDs. You will need two things from this page, the seller ID, which is at the top, and the Mws Auth Token, which is at the bottom. Okay, we're going to switch over to DataSpot Pro now, and go ahead and create an Amazon account. When you connect to the Amazon account, you will want to use the same Seller Central email address that you used when getting the MWS token. If they don't match, it's not going to work. Just by connecting the Amazon account here, you will automatically get access to your advertising data. But we still need to add in the Mws Auth token so that we can import your organic sales and product information. To add in the Mws Auth token, you need to click the Details button on the right-hand side for the account you want to add them to. Then click the Add Key button on the top right. A box will pop up in the middle of your screen, and you will need to choose the region that your MWS token is for. Give the MWS token a name, and then copy and paste the seller ID and Mws Auth token in. Then click the Create button. At this point, you are done, and the next time the system loads your data, it will import the new tables for you. If you want to kick off the import now, you can do that by going back to the account page and clicking the little cloud import button on the left-hand side. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.